Aloha guys, Scuba Chris here. I got my Fishon Spooler. This is what it's known as the Big Water Series of Fishon Spoolers, meant for big surf reels, okay? My friend Jeff Kahn helped me get some spools from his place as well as some local stores. I got some from POP, Pacific Ocean Producers, so they're helping me in terms of saving me spools. I mean, some of this stuff just has a little bit of line left. So I'm going to show you how the stripping of this mechanism works, because you just have to pretend that this is the spool of another reel. It's the same process. Now, if you just had a spool you want to strip, you can just keep it on the rod, hold it here, it can strip it out. So I'm just going to show you what you should be doing, but you can do it the other way as well. So I'm going to take off, this is 6 pound. All of them have 6 pound in it. I don't need 6 pound, okay? When I go light, I usually go 4. When I go whipping, which is spin casting, I usually go 8 or 10, so I don't need 6. 6 is kind of an in-between size I don't use. So we're gonna put this on. Just give it a little bit of tension. Tighten it up. Okay, this unit comes with 2 take-up spools. So what you do is you just take the top off. There's some line remnants laying around. There's a hole right there. You put your line through the hole like that, cap it off. That'll hold it on. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your line, put it through the line guide, like so. Okay, and like I just showed you, we're gonna put it through the hole in the take-up spool. Don't have to tie it or anything, just put it through, cap it off. That's it. You put it into the receiver here. You hold this part here, and it goes a quarter turn clockwise to tighten. That's it. All right, we got everything set up. Only when we're ready, then we're gonna plug in the power source. And I got the switch, see right here? Let me bring this down. The switch is facing me. I got this part facing the camera. When you're working, you want it the other way around, but you know, just for today, we're gonna do it this way so you guys can see what's going on. The last thing I do is I plug in the power. Alrighty. So we're gonna turn this on. Start. Okay, almost up to the end. There we go. The end was just barely in there. Has a little sticker on it. So I pull out the power cord just to be on the safe side. Okay, so when you hold on to the red part here, you give it a quarter turn counterclockwise, and the spool pops out, all right? Pull off this end here. Look at this. Spool is nicely stripped out. You know, you just pop this off, pull off the line. That's it. Very simple. All right, guys. Always got to learn by doing, taking small steps. So when I start a production line, I want to make sure that everything I'm doing is correct. So I'm learning at a slow rate, but I basically know how to strip, how to put on line. So I'm gonna go put together all the unused reels I have, and look at the line and figure out what kind of line lays I want to do. But thanks a lot for watching my channel. Take care.